Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y21D and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find apps. Then let's scroll all the way down and find special app access. Here scroll down and localize install unknown apps. So right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and for example, let's pretend I'd like to download the app from a specific website and I'm using Chrome to open it. So just localize Chrome and here tap on allow from this source. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is now allowed to install some content. Beware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.